Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. This week, we're talking about something that's a bit unusual for us, pet insurance. Now, we need to preface this by saying that pet insurance is not available through any insurance brokers in Hong Kong. And as such, this means that CCW Global is unable to offer pet insurance to our customers. However, pet insurance is available through two Hong Kong insurance companies, FWD and Blue Cross Hong Kong. Existing customers of CCW Global will have to deal directly with the insurance companies to organize any pet insurance coverage. But CCW Global is able to assist you in clarifying aspects of the coverage which may be confusing. Now, pet insurance is the name given to insurance products which are designed to cover your pets. These can consist of standalone coverage benefits like health insurance, or can be umbrella products that bundle a range of extended coverage benefits under a single contract. Generally speaking, pet insurance is an extremely flexible form of coverage, with options for an extended range of coverage solutions that may be applicable to pet owners' needs. Normal coverage options available under a pet insurance policy in Hong Kong may include things like medical protection, which would cover the costs of veterinarian consultation, prescribed medications, and room and board after surgical costs. Third-party liability would cover your liability towards a third party should your pet cause bodily or property damage. Funeral costs. If your pet should die unexpectedly, then the insurance is often able to provide the costs associated with a proper cremation and remembrance of your pet. Recovery expenses. Pets sometimes go missing, and tracking them down can be very hard. Many Hong Kong pet insurance policies will provide advertising expenses so you can help track down your lost animal. Trip cancellation. Should you have to cancel your trip because your pet is receiving immediate life-saving surgery, then the insurance will offset your travel costs. And finally, many pet insurance policies in Hong Kong offer overseas protection. So if your pet travels abroad with you, the pet insurance policy can continue providing coverage anywhere in the world. Now, some pet insurance plans are specifically designed for cats and dogs, while others allow for the protection of more exotic species like birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Pet insurance is, in many respects, exactly the same as human insurance. The fundamental concepts that apply to human insurance and the different types of products also apply to pet insurance. Remember, insurance is always an equitable exchange of risk for a predetermined fee, no matter what is being covered. Animals are unpredictable, though, more so than humans, and as such, establishing equity in the insurance contract is going to mean a costly premium. So the first thing to consider with pet insurance is that it's normally a fairly expensive form of protection. It can get even more expensive depending on what type of animal you have. For example, some insurers will place a premium surcharge on breeds of dogs. Basset Hounds and Great Danes are great examples of this and will normally have significant health issues over the course of their lives. As such, these breeds are subject to an additional premium loading over other breeds on similar plans. Rottweilers also have a reputation for being aggressive, so this breed is also subject to premium loading in most cases. Other breeds are simply too dangerous or too sickly to even be insured and will be excluded from coverage altogether. This includes breeds like Pit Bull Terriers or Japanese Tosas. Now, health insurance is the biggest component of most pet insurance policies, and health insurance is always underwritten on the basis that pre-existing medical conditions are excluded from the insurance. This is the same for pets, and unfortunately most people do not take out pet insurance on a healthy new puppy or kitten, but rather wait until the animal is older and has started to experience some severe health issues before inquiring about the possibility of insurance. If your pet has health concerns, then it is important to realize that insuring this issue is virtually impossible. You may be able to receive coverage against any future medical conditions, but not those that have already occurred. As such, pet insurance may not entirely be worth it, especially if you are purchasing a policy to cover an older animal specifically for their healthcare expenses. It is this aspect of health pet insurance that normally gets overlooked by policyholders trying to cover their pets. That's us for this week. We hope you have a wonderful, happy, and healthy weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And as always, remember to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.